This is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid.com. We're going to take a look at the OpenTable Reservations widget. So we have two widgets here, a mobile and a desktop version. And they both do the same job, but you need to use the button, the OpenTable button for tablets and mobile phones, and the desktop version obviously for desktop. So let's take a look at the first widget. So we're going to drag it onto the desk here. We've installed it. It comes as a muslib file, so it's just easy to install. And we can see that it puts the default widget on the page. And let's take a look through the different settings here. First we have our restaurant reference ID, which we'll show you how to get in a moment. The name of the restaurant, the type of widget that you want to use. There's three types. We'll show you how those work. The title text color, so that's this text here. The subtitle text color, that's that text there. Then our background color, the background color of the overall widget itself. The button color here, and the text on top of the button. Then we have overlay mode, and that basically asks you whether you want the reservation form to open up over the website, or you want them to be forwarded to a separate page. So on a desktop version of the site, you more than likely want to keep them on the page, so use the overlay method. So let's take a look at the three different types of widget there are. This is the standard widget. We have the pixel sizes next to them there. Then we have a tall widget, which gives us a visual calendar. And then we have the wide widget, which is basically full page width and just not very tall. So those are the three types. Let's take it back to the standard here. And then let's take a look at some more of those settings. So at the moment we have dark on light, but we could switch it to light on dark. And then maybe if we put this as a background color of black. Then we could see that the icons would show up better. So let's change our title color here to white. And our subtitle color to white as well. And we can see now that that widget has changed color. So we could use any hex color we want in that, and we can change the buttons. But let's get our restaurant reference ID now. So how do we get that? Well, if we open up OpenTable, here we have some restaurants. I've got to choose this Truffle St. Louis restaurant. And if we click on the menu here, we can see that it shows us an RID. This RID is our reference ID for the restaurant. So remember, this is Truffle St. Louis. So we're going to click on our reservations widget here, put in that code. Now we've put that reference ID in there. We're going to get the name of the restaurant, so Truffle St. Louis, and paste that in here. Now if we preview this widget and we click on Find a Table, we can see that the overlay mode opens up, and we have Truffle St. Louis in there. So it's a really straightforward widget, and it's been provided by OpenTable. We've widgetized it so it's usable in Muse easily. But OpenTable's a great way of creating reservation bookings for your client sites or for your own sites, and this widget makes it really easy to interact with OpenTable. So take a look at it, and thanks for watching.